Every time I'm on the water, I forget about every little problem that's going on in life, and I'm relaxed and having fun. I think growing up in this environment, when you're surrounded by nature, you can't help but fall in love with the beauty of it. My name's Alyssa LeBlanc. I'm from Tuscot, Nova Scotia. I'm an outdoor enthusiast, hunter, angler, and chef. My dad, my grandfather, and my two older brothers were always hunting and fishing, so I just followed along with them. My father has always taught us the importance of wearing PFDs and safety on the water. You never think things are going to go wrong, but you always have to be prepared for the worst. It was the start of April 2019, and I was working in a kitchen with other chefs, and we decided to go on a trout fishing trip. We're planning on cooking the fish we caught on the river and just have a good, relaxing day. I had a life jacket that I loved before, and I lost it. It flew out from back of my boat one day. So I had to go buy a new life jacket, so I bought one right before the canoeing trip. We're canoeing down the river, and then we noticed the rapids started getting stronger and stronger. I was in a canoe with one other girl. The other girls were 3, and they went down the river before us. We're going down rapids, and we see their canoes flipped and stuck on a rock. We start hearing the other girls screaming, "Reagan's drowning." I jumped out of the canoe, and the rapids brought me right to her. If I would have hesitated even a second, I would have passed by her and not been able to get to her. Eventually, her leg came unstuck. We washed to shore with all the other girls, had a waterproof phone on me, so we were able to call 911. After going through that with the other girls, I think we definitely have a special bond together that will last forever. I don't think you should let fear hold you back from doing the things you love. My name's Alyssa LeBlanc, and this is my survival story.